In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Gmail. First, we begin by creating a table in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. To do this, launch the application you prefer. If you are using Google Sheets, navigate to sheets.google.com. For Microsoft Excel, open the application on your computer. You will want to create a new spreadsheet. This is where you can organize your data. Once your spreadsheet is open, you can input the information you want in a tabular format. This could include names, dates, or any other data that needs to be displayed clearly. Having a well-structured table is essential for presenting information in an organized way. It sets the stage for everything else to follow in your email. Once your table is ready, the next step is to select the cells you want. Click and drag your mouse over the cells to highlight them. You can select a single cell or multiple cells depending on how much information you want to include. It is important to choose only the cells that contain the relevant data. This helps to ensure that your email remains concise and easy to read. After you have highlighted the desired cells, you can check to confirm that everything you want is selected. This selection process is crucial as it determines what will be visible in your email later. With your cells selected, the next action is to copy them. To do this, simply press Ctrl and C at the same time. This keyboard shortcut copies the selected cells to your clipboard. You might see a brief flash indicating that the cells have been copied. This step is vital because it allows you to transfer the table from your spreadsheet directly into your email. Knowing how to use keyboard shortcuts effectively can save you significant time in your workflow. Now that your table is copied, it's time to open Gmail. Navigate to mail.google.com and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, look for the Compose button, usually located on the left side of the screen. Click on this button to open a new email window. This is where the magic happens. You are getting ready to paste your table directly into the email. Having your email window ready makes the next step seamless and efficient. Next up, you will paste the table into the email. To do this, press Ctrl and V simultaneously. This action pastes the table from your clipboard into the body of the email. You should see the table appear in the email window formatted just as you had it in your spreadsheet. This is an important step because it allows you to share organized data without losing its structure. Your recipients will appreciate the clarity that a table provides. At this point, take a moment to review how the table looks in your email. Ensure that it is properly formatted and easy to read. Adjustments can be made if necessary. You want to make sure the table conveys the information clearly to your recipients. This final check helps to ensure that your communication is effective and professional. After reviewing your email, you are ready to send it. Just add your recipients' email addresses, a subject line, and any additional message you want to include. When everything looks good, hit the send button. This step finalizes your effort in sharing the information. You can feel confident knowing that your table has been successfully added to your email. And that's it. You have learned how to add a table in Gmail. This skill will greatly enhance your email communication. Thank you for watching.